Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to take a full backup of a database and how to restore it later whenever required. Basically, there are different types of database backups and mainly they are full database backup, differential backup, transaction log backup, partial backup, etc. In this video, we are going to concentrate upon full database backup. A data backup that contains all the data in a specific or set of file groups or files and also enough log to allow for recovering that data is known as a full database backup. That is, it contains all the data and also the transaction log files. With valid backups of a database, you can recover your data from many failures. So for demonstration purpose, I have this SQL DB database with a person's table which contains this many rows. So I am going to take a full backup of this database. To do that, click on this database, right click, go to task, click on backup. Here you can see that the database name is there automatically. The recovery model is set to simple. The backup type is, we are going to take a full backup, so we have selected the full backup type. You also have the differential one here. So here we will take the full backup. And next you have to select the path where we have to save this backup file, and by default this is the path where the backup file will get saved. So if you want, you can remove this and click add and browse, and you can store the backup file wherever you want. So I am going with the default path and just click OK. The backup of database SQL DB is completed successfully. You can see that this database is still here. It has just taken a backup of the data whatever is present now in the data. So if you want to see the backup file, you can go and see that this is the path where we have saved the backup file, and inside the backup folder you can see there is a .back file. This is our backup data. Now, in order to restore the same database, suppose somehow this database got damaged or got deleted or some other failures happened. For demonstration, I am going to drop this database. So I have dropped that particular database and now it is missing from this list. So if you have to restore that database, you can use that backup file. And for restoring, click on databases, select restore database. Here you can select the database that you want to restore. So go to the device and click on this button and click add. In the add, you can go and click on backup. That is the path where we saved our backup file. Okay, so this is the path and here is my backup file. Select that and click OK. Now here you got the entire path. Click OK. So we got the type full component database, and this is our DB name and this is the server name, and click OK. The database restored successfully. So now in order to check if it is the same database, we can run our query. We got our data back. So this is how we take a full database backup and restore it later whenever required. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful for you, Please like and share it. Also, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified.